cameras. Today I have been looking for quite some time a good quality folding saw, and I think I might have found it, but I'm not quite sure. I have a couple that I want to try out, and the first one we're going to try out today is by Hooyman. Haven't opened it, but this is what it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. All kinds of racket. And this is what it is. Okay. This is a folding saw by Hooyman. Got some nice teeth on there. It has a rubbery plastic style handle. It has a locking mechanism here to be able to unfold it and fold it back up inside. It's got a good snap to it. Blade's good and solid. I like the teeth. It's got some serious teeth for cutting on there. So let's go ahead. It's got a little hole over here if you wanted to put a what do you want, a carabiner, so you can attach it to your belt or whatever. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. Before we set up the cameras, it has an 8-inch blade. So let's set up the cameras. Okay, we just happened to have this log, no kidding, it just fell down. So this nice pine fell down. I need to get it, cut it up. You know what's funny is because when this fell down, I was just going to come out with a chainsaw and cut it up. But I figured, hey, I want to get a folding saw, maybe we'll test one. So I left the tree here. So let's go ahead and get her cut. Open it up. I'm just going to start cutting with it and see what happens. Seems to be cutting quite well. This is pine, so it's going to cut a little bit easier than, say, cutting a hardwood. Reposition the camera up right back. Okay, I made some adjustments and I totally screwed up. Cut that the wrong way. Screwed it up so I can't use some of that footage. So we're going to start over again. You'll probably see that in an outtake on what not to do. So let's set up the cameras now and cut up the tree. Okay, now we're going to start this up. Okay, that worked extremely well. Now that we got the cameras all set up correctly. So, my first impressions, good and sharp, seems to do the job. It does have the locking mechanism is really good. I like it. The only thing I would say that I'm not a big fan of is that when you put it down in, it doesn't actually have a locking. So it, oh yes it does. Sorry, my mistake. Guess I made a couple of those today. Anyway, I'm impressed. That is the Hooyman folding saw. I do have a couple more that I want to try out, so maybe I'll get better with the next couple videos I make. With that, you guys stay safe, and I'll see you next time. You can see right here, I did a pretty good job cutting through. So, good saw. Now I have some outdoor firewood. She goes. That was exciting. We'll be right back.